Hey Joey,
What is it, Carbon?
can we go to KFC?
No.
Can we go to KFC?
Carbon, I said no. We're not going to KFC, and that's final.
I want to go to KFC. 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 I want to go to KFC.
For the last time, Carbon. We're not going to KFC. Honey, there is no food in the fridge. Did you hear that, Carbon? Your father told us that there's no food in the fridge. That means we can go to KFC.
Yay! KFC.
Hello. Welcome to KFC. How may I take your order?
I would like 2 pieces of fried chicken and a Pepsi.
And I would like 3 pieces of fried chicken, 5-piece chicken nuggets, waffle fries, and a Coca-Cola.
I'm sorry, sir, but we don't have any more Coca-Cola. Why don't you get a Pepsi?
What? Are you seriously joking? Why?
Because, Carbon, they don't have Coca-Cola. Why don't you get Pepsi?
No way. I want order I want. I want Coca-Cola and that's what I want. Engage me. Engage me, engage me, engage me.
We're going home right now. Go to your room.